In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Facebook posts from Meta Business Suite. If you manage a Facebook page, Meta Business Suite is your central place to create and organize content with fewer clicks and more control. I'll walk you through the exact path to get to the post composer, and I'll share helpful context so you feel confident every time. First, go to Meta Business Suite. You can access it at business.facebook.com from any modern browser. Make sure you're logged into the right Facebook account and that your profile has the proper role on the page you want to manage, such as admin or editor. If you see a prompt to switch accounts or select a business, follow that to land on the suite's dashboard. Next, look to the upper left corner and open your profile menu. This small area typically shows your profile photo or a business icon. Clicking it reveals the assets you manage, including pages and ad accounts. This is the quickest way to ensure you're acting on the correct page before you create anything. Now, select the page you want to create a post for. If you manage multiple pages, take a moment to confirm the page name and profile image so you don't accidentally post to the wrong place. When you select a page, the dashboard refreshes and tailors everything, notifications, insights, and tools, to that specific page. Once you're on the correct page, click on Home in the left-hand navigation. The Home view in Business Suite is your hub. It surfaces shortcuts, recent performance, and quick links to publishing tools. If the interface ever looks different, remember that Meta updates layouts from time to time. Home consistently brings you back to the most direct path to posting. From here, click on Create Post. This opens the Facebook post composer for the page you selected. You'll see a space to write your caption, add photos or videos, include links, and preview how your post will appear. You can usually toggle placement options like whether to share to Instagram as well, and you'll find scheduling, drafting, and preview tools in the same window. Take a moment to review the page name at the top of the composer to double-check you're posting in the right place. If your media is still uploading, let it finish so the final post looks crisp and complete. That's the full path. Open Meta Business Suite, use the upper left profile menu, pick your page, go to Home, and click Create Post. With this flow, you can quickly reach the composer every time, keep your workflow organized, and publish with confidence.